Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily generate images using Canva's Dreamlab. So a Dreamlab is where you can generate AI images using a simple prompt on Canva. And here I've already on canva.com, and to go to the Dreamlab you can just go in here on the left panel. There is this Dreamlab option, so just tap on that. And in here, what image would you like to create today? So you can just describe the image in a few words, and here you can change the style. There is this cinematic concept, smart, macro illustration, portrait, pop art. So you can just choose which one. So for example, I'm going to go with pop art. Here you can describe the image that you want to create. So for example, a cat walking. I'm going to just go with simple prompt, and after that you can just tap on create and then just wait until Dreamlab generate your images. Okay, the result will be shown in here. So there are four options, and you can see there are four options that you can choose. For example, I'm going to use this one. You can download it directly, or you can also edit it again on Canva by clicking on the edit options at the bottom of the image, and you'll be directed to the Canva editing page in here. So that's all for me. That's how you can generate images using Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click